Best deals.
1. Laundry basket is made from linen and other high-quality materials, offering durability and resistance to impact and breakage. It is easy to clean and designed for long-lasting everyday use. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cleaning brush. Head can rotate 360 degrees in one direction with U-shaped silicone cupping brush, stranded slit brush, stiff bristle corner brush. 3 different functions of the brush head, suitable for cleaning different objects, teacups, milk bottles, ice grids, molds, peeler, and are made of high-quality materials. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Casserole. Designed for old-style slow cooking. Make tender, succulent dishes with these heavy pans. Heavy cast iron retains and transfers heat evenly for the best biryanis, dum, koftas and curries. Pre-seasoned interior and exterior with plant oil which allows direct contact of iron with food. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Toothbrush cover. Each cover showcases an adorable animal design that delights both children and adults, transforming daily brushing into an engaging habit while effectively protecting brush heads from dust and germs at home or during travel. The delightful designs help motivate consistent brushing routines while injecting fun. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Organizer. The 3-tier bathroom countertop organizers and storage stand is made of high-quality metal, which can withstand heavy loads and maintain stability. The shelf is sturdy to use and easy to clean, rust-proof and waterproof, no need to install and freestanding. This multipurpose storage rack for kitchen shelf and bathroom vanity or dresser stand can be used to keep items accessible and organized. Perfect for holding shampoo, shower gel, skincare products, cosmetics, tools, small office supplies. Designed with a central 360 degrees universal roller layer, the steered shelf bathroom countertop organizer allows smooth movement and effortless turning, making things well organized and orderly stored. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pancake mold. Designed with premium rust-resistant stainless steel and a durable non-stick coating, these egg rings ensure seamless food release every time. Say goodbye to sticky messes and enjoy hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Perfect for frying eggs, making pancakes, or shaping your favorite dishes into restaurant-quality creations. Get artistic with 4 unique molds, including 4 playful shapes: flower, star, round and heart. Elevate your cooking repertoire with these options, perfect for preparing visually stunning breakfasts or meals. Make dining at home more vibrant, classy, and fun with these versatile molds. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Paneer Maker Mold. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the PANCA Paneer Maker ensures durability, hygiene, and rust resistance for long-term use in every Indian kitchen. Not just a paneer maker. Use it as a tofu press, curd water drainer, whey separator, or even a sprouts maker, an all-in-one solution for healthy homemade food. Perfectly sized at 500 milliliters, this round paneer press is ideal for small to medium families. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coffee maker. Experience the timeless ritual of South Indian filter coffee with a percolator designed to deliver rich aroma, deep flavor and authentic decoction, every single brew. Expertly crafted using high-quality stainless steel that is hygienic. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunch box. Made from borosilicate glass, making it resistant to microwave, oven and refrigerator. Can withstand high temperature up to 350 degrees centigrade. Suitable for use in microwave, refrigerator and oven. It's scratch-resistant and transparent. Non-porous glass prevents to absorb stains. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Egg boiler. It comes with stainless steel body and flat heating plate which helps in boiling up to 8 eggs at a time within minutes. Comes with 4 food-grade poaching trays for steaming different foods like poached eggs, dokla, corn, idli. Boil up to 8 eggs get boiled at one go in this egg boiler. The power will be turned off once the water in the egg boiler is dry boiled. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Strainer. Crafted from food grade 304 stainless steel, the stainless steel rice cooker by Vinod ensures durability and elegance in your kitchen. The polished mirror finish adds sophistication, while the corrosion-resistant material guarantees long-lasting performance in this rice cooker. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Drainer. Made with premium stainless steel and chrome plating for long-lasting use and rust resistance. Strong frame designed to hold fruits and vegetables up to 7 kg easily. Prevents small items from slipping. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Drying rack. Whether you are on the road, RV or at home, facing the drying problem of insufficient sunlight, this product can easily cope with. It can be firmly adsorbed on the surface of glass, tile, acrylic plate and other materials, so that you can enjoy the convenience of drying anytime and anywhere. We use high-strength aluminum alloy material, not only to ensure the drying rack strong and durable, but also to achieve lightweight and portable, easy to store, so that travel more relaxed and free. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Q-tip holder. Durable acrylic apothecary canisters combine beauty and practicality. Classic and modern design is functional yet decorative, lightweight, won't broken and hurt your kids. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Container bag. With its impressive 8L capacity, this water bag ensures you have a sufficient water supply to keep you hydrated throughout your outdoor adventures. Perfect for group outings or extended stays in the wilderness, it minimizes the frequency of refills, allowing you to focus more on enjoying the experience. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade materials that promises a safe, clean water source. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Basket. Is designed to help you keep your refrigerator tidy and organized. With a set of transparent baskets, you can easily store and find your fruits, vegetables, and other food items. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cleaning brush. 18 inches wide coverage and exceptional durability, sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. With its adjustable iron pole, ranging from 50.8 inches to 65.3 inches, this 4-section rod push broom brush allows you to effortlessly clean all outdoor and indoor areas without straining your body. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Compact chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual handheld chopper runs without electricity, the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put it in. Speedy chopper is made of high-quality material, comes with 6 months warranty. Accessories include 1. Chopper, for chopping food items like tomatoes, onions, chilies etc. 2. Egg whisker and separator or whipping up smooth and fluffy batter for omelets. 3. Comes with 5 different types of slicers, slicing blade, wavy slicer, 3-way julienne slicer, shredder, and grater. 4. Juicer. The chopper comes with a holder that protects your hands from accidental injuries. The chopper also has blade box and chopping blade protector, which make it the safest kitchen tool to use. The blades and the body of the chopper are made of high-quality BPA-free materials that enhance its durability. The chopper helps you save time and effort by letting you chop a large quantity of vegetables in a short period of time. It also protects your eyes and hands from irritation or burns that certain raw vegetables may cause. It is a mess-free solution for hassle-free cooking. Effortlessly performs the task of multiple tools at the same time. Works 10 times faster than regular knives, perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. 100% safe and BPA-free material for ease of use and durability. Rust-resistant and sharp blades, stainless steel blades. Advanced push technology for professional and uniform results every time. Perfect to chop and dice a wide range of fruits, vegetables, cheese, and more. The dicer can be easily disassembled into pieces and cleaned using a brush. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Effortlessly create uniform slices of potatoes, cucumbers, and more with adjustable thickness settings, ensuring perfect cuts every time with food chopper with container. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Portable blender. 280W high-powered motor effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and veggies with the strength of a plug-in. Compact yet powerful, it doubles as a portable mixer blender for quick results. It has never been easier to clean your juice blender. Just fill the portable juicer jar 2/3 full with water, add soap, press the button, and let it clean itself, quick and hassle-free so you can spend more time with your family. The portable juicer blender bottle will only work if the jar is set up correctly. The LED display shows battery charge level of the shaker mixer and a 40-second countdown timer. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Roti tawa. Made from 100% food-grade aluminum for long-term use. Make delicious dosas, uttapams or cutlets at the same time. Designed with just the right curvature and thickness to help you make great dosas. The rivets and handle doesn't interfere with the kadhai surface, giving you maximum cook space. Featuring a precision-engineered flat cooking surface with raised edges specifically designed for perfect dosas and uttapams. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Glass spice jars. Are made from high-quality lead-free durable glass. Clear glass let you have a clear look of spices. Each square glass jar measures approximately 4 inches by 1 3/4, with a 1 1/4 opening. The modern design square shape and tops fit any spice rack, cabinet, organizer, drawers, or kitchen. The lids and caps are airtight, which means your herbs stay fresher longer. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Electric mop. Delivers superior cleaning performance with a high-speed spin feature, effectively removing dirt and grime from various floor surfaces with minimal effort. Equipped with a modern Type-C charging port, the electric mop fully recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, while the retractable extension handle allows for comfortable cleaning without bending, making it easy to reach under furniture and in tight spaces. Equipped with a powerful 2500 mAh battery, this electric mop offers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning, ensuring you can tackle large areas without interruptions. Choose between 3 speed settings to adjust the cleaning power according to the surface and level of dirt, making it versatile for different types of floors. The automatic spin mechanism effectively scrubs and cleans a variety of surfaces, including bathrooms and kitchens, leaving floors spotless with minimal effort. Equipped with a powerful electric brush for thorough dirt removal, ensuring a deep clean and pristine finish on your floors and bathroom surfaces. Electric spin mop offers up to 90 minutes of powerful cleaning with 3 speed modes, adjustable handle, and an LED display. Perfect for floors, tiles, and bathrooms, it features fast Type-C charging and multiple brush heads. Equipped with a high-speed motor delivering up to 4200 RPM, this electric scrubber removes stuff stains, grease, and grime quickly and efficiently. The tilt and lock adjustable head easily adapts to different angles, making it simple to clean ceilings, walls, tiles, glass, sinks, and tight spaces with minimal effort. Up to 90 minutes of cordless cleaning on a single full charge, allowing you to tackle large bathrooms, kitchens, and floors effortlessly. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Multi-purpose kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Durable stainless steel build, food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. This innovative kettle is more than just a kettle. With a range of cooking modes. Boil water or milk for baby food or senior citizen, prepare tea, coffee, soups, stews and any liquid food with ease, all in one compact appliance. The spacious 1.2 L capacity is perfect for cooking meals for one or for the entire family. Save time and energy with the ability to prepare larger quantities in a single batch. Cleaning up has never been easier. Superior version of non-stick coating, the ceramic coating prevents food from sticking to the kettle, making it a breeze to clean. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your culinary creations, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoy power. Equipped with a robust 600W motor, this kettle ensures quick and efficient cooking. Experience faster boiling and cooking times for your meals. The sleek and compact design of our multi-cook kettle not only saves valuable counter space but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. It's a stylish addition that complements any kitchen decor. Tailor your cooking experience to your needs with our multi-power modes. Whether you need a rapid boil or a gentle simmer, the adjustable power settings allow you to customize the cooking process for optimal results. Glass lid, they allow you to see the food as it cooks without lifting the lid, helps reduce mess and is energy efficient and looks more modern and stylish, enhancing the overall appearance of your kitchenware. Product link is given in the 22nd link.